Hello guys! Welcome back ulit dito sa aking channel. At kung naghanap ka ng legit personal loan na pwedeng gamitin para sa emergency, debt consolidation, tuition, negosyo, travel, gadgets, or yung pang home renovation o kahit anumang personal expenses, then this video is for you. So today nga pag-uusapan natin ang CTBC Bank, yung salary stretch loan for individuals. So isa itong unsecured personal loan para sa una, salaried employees, call center agent at yung mga self-employed individuals. At ang maganda rito, pwede kang makakahiram mula 20,000 hanggang 1 million. Pero teka mga ka-review, hindi lang tayo mag-overview today ha. Pag-uusapan natin ng detalyado yung mga qualifications, requirements, interest rates, approval process, paano mag-apply, gaano katagal ang approval, and yung actual borrower's experiences. At ang importanteng tips para mas mataas ang chance ma-approve. So ano nga ba ang CTBC Salary Stretch Loan? According to CTBC Bank Philippines, ang Salary Stretch Loan ay isang short-term or mid-term multi-purpose unsecured loan. Kapag sinasabi nating unsecured loan, ibig sabihin wala kang kailangang i-collateral, no need ng bahay, lupa, sasakyan, o RCR, o sangla. Ang basis ng approval ay, una, yung income mo, work stability, credit standing, at evaluation ng bank. Pwede mo itong gamitin para sa emergency expenses, hospitalization, tuition fee, appliances, gadget, travel, home improvement, business capital, at debt consolidation. At ang loanable amount nga ay 20,000 hanggang 1 million. So malaki na yun mga kabeshis, no? And now, pag-usapan naman natin ang interest rate. Siyempre, kailangan yung malaman yan, no? Ayon sa CTBC, ang monthly add-on rate ay nasa 1.49% hanggang 2.19%. Pero tandaan nyo guys ha, depende pa rin ito sa una, loan amount, loan terms, at evaluation ng bangko. Posible kasi na mas mababa o mas mataas depende sa profile mo. At usually, available ang repayment terms ng 12 months, 18, 24, 36 at hanggang 48 months. Kapag mas mababa ang term, ibig sabihin mas mababa ang monthly payment. Pero reminder lang ha, kapag mas mahaba ang term, mas mababa ang monthly payment. Pero mas mataas naman ang total interest. At kapag mas maiksi naman, mas mataas yung monthly amortization pero mas maliit ang total interest. At para naman sa mga salaried employees, mga empleyado, ito ang qualifications. Yung edad ay dapat 23, 65 years old upon loan maturity. Minimum gross monthly income ay 15,000 pesos. For bankers, 20,000 pesos. For non-bankers, work experience, need mo at least 6 months sa current employer mo or total of 2 years working experience. At dapat regular or permanent ka sa iyong trabaho. Kailangan may office number, landline, or mobile number. At syempre, Filipino citizen dapat. And ang good news dito, para sa mga nasa BPO or call center industry, may sariling category si CTBC para sa inyo. Ang requirements, yung edad 23 to 65 years old and minimum salary of 25,000 pesos, at least 1 year tenure sa current company or total of 2 years sa call center industry. Again, mas stable ang employment history, mas maganda ang chance for approval. Para naman sa self-employed individuals, yung edad 25 to 65 years old, income dapat 20,000 pesos. Business requirements, yung business must be operating at least 3 years for service industries or 5 years for trading businesses. Ang important na kailangan lang natin ay dapat meron kang mobile number, landline, at credit card holder ka. Then, syempre, yung additional requirements. Ito ang complete requirements. Para sa salaried at call center employees, kailangan yung i-fill out nga yung application form. Dapat meron tayong company ID, front and back, latest payslip, proof of billing, one valid government ID, at signed data privacy consent form. Optional naman yung ITR, BIR Form 2316, no? At ang tinatanggap nila na ID ay yung PhilSys ID, pwede rin yung passport, driver's license, PRC ID, SSS ID, at UMID ID, then yung voter's ID. At para naman sa mga self-employed, additional requirements include DTI registration, yung bank statement, BIR forms, credit card, statement, at proof of business operations. At ngayon nga, ito na ang pinaka-importanting part. Paano nga ba tayo mag-apply? According kasi sa available information online, ito ang actual process. Ang una, kailangan muna nating i-check yung ating eligibility. Siguraduhin munang pasok ka sa una, age requirements, income requirements, at work tenure. Number 2, prepare your documents. I-scan lahat, picturean ng malinaw, lahat ng requirements, at make sure readable ang IDs, payslip, billings at yung forms. Step number 3 nga, i-fill out nyo lang yung application form. Available ang CTBC Salary Stretch application form online, ctbcbank.com.ph. And step number 4, send your requirements. Pwede mong i-email ang requirements sa Salary Stretch at ctbcbank.com.ph. Ayan, or kung may kakilala kang agent, pwede rin naman. Pero mag-ingat kayo sa mga agent na nagpapabayad. So, scam po yung ganon. And step number 5, wait for verification. Usually, tatawag si CI or credit investigator, yung bank representative or verification officer. Possible nilang i-verify yung employer mo, contact number, address, at income details. Then, step number 6, yung approval. So, kapag approve, makakatanggap ka ng notification. At step number 7, loan release. So, yung loan proceeds may be released through CTBC Visa Cash Card or CTBC account or ibang bank account. Paano katagal ang process? Possible na approval within 1 to 5 banking days, pero depende pa rin sa completeness ng documents at evaluation ng bank. May mga borrowers online na nagsasabing na-approve sila within 3 to 7 banking days. Yung iba naman, 2 days approve na. At may iba naman, 3 araw approve na. No? May iba naman na mas mabilis, especially nga kapag kompleto ang requirements. At habang kasi nagre-research ako, nakakita rin ako ng borrower experiences online. May ilan na nagsasabi na smooth at mabilis talaga yung process. Isa yung CTBC Bank na mabilis mag-process ng loan. At especially nga kapag kompleto ang requirements mo, stable ang work, okay na okay ang credit standing mo. Pero meron ding na-decline dahil sa una, low credit score, yung mga bad payment history at existing unpaid loans. Ito ang importanting tips. Una, ayusin ang credit history. 2, iwasan ang maraming unpaid loans. Number 3, complete documents agad. 4, make sure reachable ang employer at yung references nyo. At make sure na clear yung mga IDs or yung mga requirements na isasubmit nyo. That's our complete guide tungkol sa CTBC Bank Salary Stretch Loan. Again, yung loanable amount nga pwede 20,000 hanggang 1 million. Salaried employees, BPO at yung mga self-employed individuals, pwede. Ayun na nga, kung meron pa kayong katanungan, i-comment nyo lang yan at sasagutin natin yan sa mga susunod na videos. At kung gusto mo pa ng bank loan guides, yung personal finance tips, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell dyan sa baba para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod na video. So thank you for watching and see you sa aking next video. Bye!